Hey everyone, I am doing another demo. This is on look number 2. It is my favorite to do. It's a a light inner lid, dark outer lid, so it's a half-half lid. I really like to use it on my brides, even for really natural looks, because you can transition to from soft creams into darker browns. And for myself, I like it because I can play with a bunch of colors and go crazy. So today we're going to be doing a lid, and it's going to have a light inner, dark outer, and a separate crease color. So I think I'm going to be playing with blue, which is tricky. So if I mess up, you'll never see this. But yeah, but I love blue, and I feel like playing with that today. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to be using two different palettes today. I'm going to be using a Tarte's, which is one I use my personal. These are all my personal cosmetics. That's what I'm using today, and that's what I used in our last demo for look number 1, which is light lid, dark crease. I will be moving into my pro kit as I just play around with it more for more demos and stuff, doing these with my personal stuff, which is why I have a storybook makeup. Oh, it's so pretty. So out of here is where we find all my blues. So this is the one we're going to do, and I really like the Storybook cosmetics. It's a pretty decent. I don't know if I would ever invest in it for my pro kit, but for personal stuff, I really do enjoy it. So we're going to be starting off with a base color from the Tarte. I'm going to be doing just a slight skin tone color just to set for my base, and this is going to be my brow bone. Over to the Storybook cosmetics, and we're going to do my inner lid with a light silver blue. And I use my pupil as my halfway point, so inner, and I always work eye to eye and outer. This is a good eyeshadow pattern for if you have close set eyes. This is a really good one. It helps pull your eyes apart. The only eye shape I really don't recommend using with this one, because it works on so many different eye shapes and sizes and everything. The only one I would recommend to avoid is if you have wide set eyes, because the weight of the color is to the outside. It's going to pull your eyes further apart. So avoid that if your eyes are wide set. So now I'm going to take a medium blue and do this to my outer lid and transition them, blend them over each other, because you don't want sharp lines. You want everything to be really nice and blended. And from inner to outer. And then now for my crease, I am going to take a larger, fluffier one, and I'm just going to take that same medium blue and blend it out. I really do like blue eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm going to move into my crease for a deeper color to create more of a contouring effect. And I am taking a dark blue and I'm setting it just at. I'm not doing really dark colors, I'm just playing with blue. You could always go darker and give it more of a smoky look, but for me, I just want to play with blue today. So I wanted to wear blue eyeshadow. Yes, that's what I'm doing. So I'm blending a little bit up onto the crease. So see, you have lighter, darker, and then darker in your crease. And I'm going to just bump up a little bit. Shimmers with your fingertip work better than anything else. I was going to say that's that, but I want to do a little more dark in there. And there you go. Half-half lid with blues.